Bravo 6, this is HQ. You copy?
HQ, this is Bravo 6. Go ahead.
We've got a special mission for you. Gear up.
Copy that, HQ.
We've spotted the target. It's Osama bin Laden. Bin Laden is behind a locked barricade. Looks like he's out in the compound now. Permission to go loud.
Mission granted. Go loud, Bravo 6.
Affirmative.
Have you ever played GoldenEye on the Nintendo 64? Remember how you could shoot the padlocks open? Have you ever wondered if you can actually do that? Well, today on the SHOTTY Show, you're about to find out.
We've got two different kinds of locks here. We've got solid brass and we've got layered steel. I'm curious to see how they hold up.
First up, just some standard Target 223 55 grain.
And look at that, the lock is unscathed. No, just kidding, I missed. Well, that one's on me. I stink at shooting the Mini 14. I did hit the very edge of it, though. Will it open? It does. Okay. Well, I guess that's kind of good. Well, let's shoot it again. So we hit it, and we blew the whole bottom of it wide open. But it is still locked, but it's only got one, maybe two pins holding it in. And watch this. Interesting, huh? But I think that if you did hit it dead center, it probably would burst the lock wide open. Next up, we're gonna put our 7.62x3.9 inside of our SKS, and we're gonna shoot the steel lock. Well, it didn't unlock, but I think like the other one, if you hit enough times, it probably would. This lock no longer works at all. You can't get the key in there. So it would be permanently locked until you finally did shoot it off. Next up, we've got some double-aught buck. .12-gauge buckshot really didn't do too much to it. It blew the bottom piece off. But I think this lock wouldn't go anywhere. And like the other one, you cannot fit the key in the bottom of it anymore. So I would say do not try to shoot off a lock with buckshot, or else you're going to be in big trouble. Well, we've got one more shot of buck, and we've got one more brass lock. So let's see what happens. There it is in the rubble. Direct hit. Didn't really do a whole lot to it though. I guarantee you the key doesn't work anymore. Nope. So in conclusion, you can indeed shoot off a lock with a rifle round. Shotguns, maybe if you had a slug, maybe we'll come back and revisit that issue. But for now, Osama's been waiting long enough. Let's take care of him. Good enough for government work. 1-2 solid hits, and, raised his head. I think he's dead. Like and subscribe, you dirty dogs, unless you want to end up like Osama bin Laden here.